Hi, I'm Red. You're watching Power Garage. Back on the eBay EM2. Last episode, we put the new turbo on, but unfortunately, the downpipe doesn't meet up. So, we're going to go take it over to the muffler shop, have them welded up. And then, also on a side note, I finally bought a new idle control valve, and it seems to be working just fine. So, the K Pro works with uh, was it a D16 Y8 automatic throttle body, the one that actually has a like a 3-pin idle valve. So you know what? Let's go take it for a drive and get this exhaust bolted up. Because hey, listen to this. It's kind of noisy right now, but we can hear a little bit of whistle. So come on, let's go get this thing handled. Go for a test drive. Oh, I hate car alarms. Oh, it feels pretty spicy.
All kinds of nice turbo noises.
Yeah. So it's a pretty quick drive, so we're gonna get over there real quick and get this thing handled. Woo! Got a little bit of tire slippage. Yeah, it seems like it's running pretty good. It's not too loud. Comes in a boost real nice. I like this new turbo. What do you think, Nelson?
Sounds good.
Yeah.
Spools up pretty quick.
Yeah, it feels pretty nice. So, you know, we just gotta work on the street tune a little bit, and this thing will run pretty beastly. Well, for a single cam, but it seems to be running pretty good now. So, I'm gonna turn around, and then we'll get a little drive-by shot, so we can show you guys how it sounds from the outside. Finally got this thing. Seems like it's running pretty good now. We took it on a test drive at Silver Strand. Made it back in one piece. You know, that's the first time. Every time I take it for a test drive, it always breaks something. So I hope you guys like that drive-by shot. You know, it seems to be running pretty good. We got a little leak in the intake manifold gasket. You know what, I'm running a D16 one. Maybe it's not compatible with this head. I don't know. I just got to mess with a bunch of stuff. The new idle valve seems to be working other than the intake manifold leak, obviously. But yeah, you know, next step with this, we'll probably go take it to get a tune, see how much power it makes, and then we should be good. So like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.